Hello everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning whenever you're seeing this video. I have to wear spectacles because my eyes are a little bit irritating with the screens because I'm like 40 into 16 hours I'm on desktop, so in front of screen. So never mind, no? Oh, it's fine only. Let me just, I don't think so. This is looking good, but let's go. So let me share my screen. Yesterday, what I did is, yeah, I um implemented. Sorry, I fixed my application because yesterday it is creating too much issue. When I punching the trade, it is executing in different ways. Sometimes executing twice, sometimes it is not executing, and if I squaring off the position, it is still not updating. So all those things, and try to fix that. So if you are wondering that what I am talking about is basically I'm just let's remove this. Yeah. So basically, I'm just telling about that I'm a full-time software engineer, guys. So this is pretty much stuff that I do. I full-time I'm doing software engineering. Part-time I'm just learning trading, not doing trading. Learning trading. Okay. And this is a platform that I had developed. If you want, if you are interested and wants to punch demo trades, then you can sign up to this application, guys, and practice a lot because practice makes the man woman perfect. All right, so let's get started, and let's see. Okay, let's start with the Bitcoin itself. Let's see what is happening in the 4 hour time frame, and at 4 hour time frame, you can see that market is actually in the higher highs, and then it touched the peak. And let me see what is happening in the daily time frame. Yeah, the daily time frame, you can see that market is trying to market reached at this area, then this is the area that where the sellers are present and they are showing some kind of dominance here over here. This can be considered as a pullback as well on the daily time frame, but we have to be a little bit cautious in seeing what is happening. So at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there is a trend line that I can clearly see from where the market is facing rejections. And one more thing that I am able to see is this is the buyer's area, guys. This is the buyer's area, which is quite far as of now. So this can be extended till here, and market has a little bit potential. Like, but as of the nearby buying area that I can see is at this area. So there are multiple buying areas at the, so it's not easy for the market to fall, and we have to see that how it is going to in the next few minutes. All right, but one thing is for sure that if we punch a trade over here at 615, then we are enjoying a good amount of profit. But nonetheless, now let's wait for the right setup. So let's do it on the 5 minute time frame. Yes, so this is this is the mm, mm, oh, crazy god. So what is happening in the gold? Let me delete the entire chart first. So let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. And at daily time frame, I can see that after this rise, market went in the down trade because there are sellers present, and it shows some kind of sellers shown some kind of dominance. And after this, market made double bottom, like this is the also the bottom and this is second bottom. Now it's trying to go in the upside. So this can be considered as on the daily time frame. This can be, let me show you daily time frame again. Yeah, so this can be considered as the seller's area, this area that I'm talking about. So this area can be considered as a seller area, and right now market is trying to, so this is quite far as of daily time frame. Where is that guys on a daily time frame? Oh, so it is, yeah, it's fine. So on the, oh, is it okay. um yes, so it's quite far. Yep. But nonetheless, like at early time frame you can see that market is quite bullish, guys, and we can see that there are buyers presence over here, and then now market is trying to touch this selling area again and trying to test the selling area, that still the sellers are present or not. So this is good. So what we'll do, see, like 15 minutes time frame, that this is very good candle in the upside, and at the same time we have to see the opportunity that will come soon. But at the same time we have to be a little bit careful about that, is there is something that we have to worry about. But this 1 hour time frame candle is extremely bullish, guys. This is the candle that we can take risk on, and we will definitely take a risk at the 5 minute time interval, and we will just wait for a pullback. So there's a good opportunity in the gold. Sorry. Hmm. Let's see what is happening at silver. Let me delete this chart. Let me see what is happening on a daily time frame. Yeah, on daily time frame, the daily time frame candle is extremely bullish. Though we can see that there is a little bit of selling area at this area, but at the same time, we don't have to be worry about the selling area at all. But yep, one thing that I can see over here is, what is that? Mm-hmm. Let me just to draw a horizontal line. So just to see. So this horizontal line will tell me that there are presence of little bit sellers at this area, and let me delete this. So the daily time frame itself, we can, sorry, and early time frame itself, we can see that market is super duper bullish, and we will try to find out a good trade in the upside. So biasness is in the upside only, and you can just see that market is already too stretched in the upside, and is at this selling zone in the silver. So let's see, 15 minutes, yeah. So what is happening at the 5 minutes? Yeah. Mm, yep. Let me just see it a little bit. That's fine. So the trend line Trendline is almost not perfect. We just give you a rough idea that where the market buyers and sellers are, where the zone actually. The same time, this is also the zone where sellers might get interested, and the reason being that I'm a little bit worried about the sellers thing is this area. So though the pressure is quite high in the up direction, but we have to be a little bit careful about this. Still 9 hours 56 minutes to close this candle, and we can see the previous candle got some rejection from this area. So this is the rejection area, and there's still 9 hours left in completion of this candle, and anything can happen. So we don't want to get trapped. That's our whole POV. So let's see what is happening in gold. What is that? And what is happening in Bitcoin? So yep, Bitcoin on the daily time frame, you can see that market is strongly in the upside, but at the same time, the last candle is a pullback candle, can be a pullback candle as well. So no need to worry about this. And market was actually in a week in the 15 minutes time frame, but have the nearby support at this area, and then the second support is at below this area. So multiple buyer zone, we can't sell blindly over here. We have to see where what the price action is doing and how it is behaving. So with full confirmation we can punch the trade, otherwise we'll just wait for the right trade. Gold, on the other hand, is quite bullish, and we have to find the opportunity in the upside, not in the downside. Otherwise, we will get trapped by the buyers in the gold. Silver, on the other hand, is also at the this is nearby selling zone, and let's see is it, will it respect all the selling zone or not. Otherwise, this is great momentum in the up direction, and we'll find the trade in the up direction only. So the momentum is in the up direction, and we will follow the momentum. So let's see. So this is the overall analysis, and now the time is, see, whoever punched the trade over here has been fooled out by this green candle, and now the market is completely reversed, and this will panic out these buyers, and now it is making. So oh my god, like first, second, third, there's triple bottom, and then this fourth bottom. So it can be also be considered as a channel, not the exact uptrend, but yeah. So market is little bit following the channel, guys. Crazy, guys. See, it wiped out all the buyers who punched the trade, and this is the right opportunity to buy. Not now. We just have to wait the how this candle is going to close, and this is where the big buyers will find that this price is coming in the discounted price. Let's punch the trade, and whoever have the big, sorry, the small retail buyers who jumped over here are going to flush out by the market, and now who left is the big buyers, and big buyers don't want these small buyers to continue, and they might just trap these small buyers and wipe them out, and then now take the market in the other direction. Meanwhile, one more thing that can happen is after this trap out, after this trapping of the buyers, this scandal invites new sellers as well, and they might be interested in taking the market in the downward direction. So this is quite interesting battle that can be seen, and we will find the opportunity in this battle only. In Bitcoin, we can find a trade in the downward direction, but not of as of now. But sooner we will find the trade. But as of now, now it is not there in trade. Like, so, there has to be a little bit patience involved in this trading. See, Silver also came at its buying area, and I'm quite interested in buying in silver. If I try to punch the trade in the what is this? This is the scale. So from here to here, the scale is quite good. Oh shit! I don't want to delete that. I don't. I want to delete this. I can again punch the trend line. See the candle strength, guys. You can just feel the strength of the sellers and the panicness in the buyers. So it is also happening in the gold, most probably. Yeah. So perspective might also get changed because the strength of this red candle is quite extremely good, which can also leads to selling. So we have to shift our mindset according to the price action. Still 18 more seconds to go, and this is at its trend line. Bitcoin is facing selling. Still 2 more seconds, and now this candle close in the this see, after this much of buying, market pause. That means the sellers are exhausted or the buyers want to take the chance, and buyers took the chance. So these sellers who just jumped in are wiped out with this selling so this buying candle, and then there is a follow buying candle which got failed because they are these sellers who are interested not they don't want price action to go here, and it took them out. So they try to push the market in the downward direction, but at the same time these buyers can be strong enough to hold the trade, but let's see. So anything can happen in this trading world, so we have to be prepare for both the things. And in gold, as you can see, okay, this is a trend line breakout, guys, and still we can't consider this as a breakout because I can see that this is the nearby buying zone which can act. So we have to be little bit careful over here in the silver at least, and the gold as well. As you can see, this is the buyers area, and although market has strongly fallen down and these buyers are out, but this is the last hope for the buyers. If this crosses, then no one is going to save them. Mhm. So let's see what is happening. Bitcoin, why you are too far? Mhm. Yep, this is good sign. And we might punch the trade in the buying direction as well. Let's wait. Just waiting for the candle to close. Mhm. Let's wait for the candle to close. So this can be treated as a false breakout as well. 2 more minutes to close this candle. Stop loss could be a big one. See, took a support from here. That's good. I'm quite interested in seeing the follow-up candle. This is good. This is good. This is actually good. Should I punch the trade over here? But I just need a confirmation. 30 more seconds to close this candle. परवाना हो क्यों इसका सामना करोगे तो है I need to buy somewhere here, but let's see, market will give me at my price or not. Great, great, great. There's opportunity in the in the Bitcoin as well, in the selling side, not in the buying side, because this is reach at the selling area. At the same time, Bitcoin is giving the opportunity the buying side, but it has to come over here, somewhere here. Okay, it will not give me opportunity. Gone. This is very small opportunity, but it had gone. Yeah, it is giving me another opportunity. That's good. One more time, I will jump with 500 quantity, but it has to give me the at this price. At this price, coin. Okay, cool. Bitcoin is just pumping out in the up direction. So it's oh crazy. Bitcoin has moved in such a crazy manner, guys. Crazy buying, guys. Oh god. How crazy buying is this guy? Oh God. Just next level of buying. Good. Come on, BTC. Sorry, come on, Silver. 30 more second to close this candle. Bitcoin's aggressive buying in Bitcoin, guys. 12 more seconds to close this candle and Bitcoin will come. Okay. What is Silver's doing? Let me start adding the position. I have bought at the spice area. My stop loss would be at this area. Very minimal stop loss, guys. Yeah. Or not updated. Okay. So I think my stop loss has already got hit. Let me buy 100 more quantity over here. So the stop loss is at this area. What is that, yaar? Or not updated? Why? Is it punched or not? Just tell me about that. Okay, 100 more quantity. Let me set everyone's stop loss at 8061. 8061. Control X. Yes. Update SL. Update SL. Okay, all right. I think I've set the stop loss over here. I'll buy 500 more quantity over here. I think this is aggressive buying. Set TP. And think yeah, let me update 200, 300 actually. Close quantity. So it's 200 quantity, 100 quantity, 100 quantity, it's 500 quantity already. And yeah, it's good. So yeah, to update the cell. So I think I have SL for every run. Yes, nice. Add 200 more quantity over here. I think that's it. So there are 5 orders that is in pipeline. Mm, and everyone have the same stop loss. All right, let's see how it gonna. So this is 8143. 81.43. So now target and stop loss are placed. Okay, and we are still left with 43,000. Let's see what is happening in Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is not giving us a better chance right now, but we can see it. So in silver, as you can see, that the market is quite bullish. We can start minimizing our stop loss. Going to hit our stop loss, guys. Silver just took support now. What are you doing, bro? We are squared out, guys. Didn't understand that this is the buying zone, okay? And market tried to break this buying zone, then it called a support from here, and then again tried to break the buying zone and successfully done. Then why it took support from here? It really wants to break the buying zone again and again. What's the point? It is and it is in the buying trend, right? This is all the support that we have. Everything is in our favor, but still it took a stop loss. Bitcoin also after this good breakout is falling like anything. And exactly the thing is happening in the Bitcoin as well. The buying came from nowhere. Like, oh, this is the supporting zone. It has to touch it here, but all of a sudden, like in between, the buying came and market unnecessary went to this area. Like this is like breakout. Everything I've done in the sense, and the second point, it just collapsed. Same thing happened in silver. This is the buying area, guys. See now it is taking support again from this buying zone. So this is quite unusual for me. So what you're trying to do, man? Now in gold, there is no point in going in the buying direction again. The market is at selling area, right? This is doing selling, and as you can see that this is the selling area in the and this is the buying area, guys. So right now market is at in channel, and at least in gold. Silver, I will go directly with full quantity, the half quantity. Then I will do the 25 more second closest candle. At the same time, this gold is not convincing me in the buying direction. It is saying that I can fall more. If it falls, then punch the trade in the buying direction. Updated. 'What is this point known as 80.53? 81.442. About 400 more points, and I will set the stop loss to 80.63. 0.63. Let's just took a trade based on multiple support that we have, and the price action is at trend line. That's why I took this trade, and the major trend in the up direction. That's it. That's the only POV, and that's the only thinking that I took this trade. Come on, silver. Come on. Come on. Change the fate. Jump. Come on. Come on, silver. Come on. Come on, silver. Come on. Shine like a silver, right? Let me minimize some more risk. That's it. Come on, silver. Come on. Come on, silver, 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 silver. Silver's chemical symbol is Ag, right? Or Xg, Xg, Xg. Come on, silver. Come on. Come on, silver. Come on. Come on, silver. Come on. Go, silver, go. Reach all the heights you have. Touch the sky with glory. Come on, silver. Come on. Silver, 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 silver. How chanting. Silver, 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 silver. Come on, silver, come on. Oh, silver is just facing rejection from this area, guys. So there are buyers presence at this area. They don't want silver to go in the up direction. Why? Why you want like this, Mr. Buyers? Go, silver, go. Good, 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 good. So this is the actually what is preventing silver is at this area. If someone cross this area, if it is able to cross this area, right, then silver will fly. Let me minimize more risk. So the risk in this trade involved is $80 max. Yeah. See, since this is the area where which is quite hard for this price action to cross. Autonomous. Let's see what is happening in Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the price action is little bit scary. Hmm, what is happening at gold? It's gold. It's a good graph in gold, but at the same time, this is where the market is facing rejection, and this is the area where buyers are interested in taking the market in a direction. For gold, it's quite difficult to touch the market here. Actually, the pressure is a lot from this side. So what we can do is we can cross this. What is the order history? I just crossed the entire trade. Reason being that gold is not in the favor of buying. Gold is in the favor of selling. See, that's why I just punched the trade out because as you can see, the pressure is little bit extra from the seller side, and these buyers are not in that dominant. So it could happen. These this sellers area worked, guys. बढ़िया ट्रेड नहीं मिल रहा गाइस कच्चा ट्रेड नहीं मिल रहा O ਤੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਰਾ ਵਾਰੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਓ ਨਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਨੇ। ਉਹ ਤਨ ਮੈਂ सोइया सोइया सी सोइया सोइया सी गोल्ड भी क्रॉस कर दिया क्या? गोल्ड इज एट स्पाइंग जोन गाइस. चलिए चल कुड़िए सजना चल कुड़िए सजना यहाँ जाने हैं। जहाँ रंग वेख के ओ पानी दा रंग वेख के अंजना मारी जावा मैं मारी जावा. Okay, let's see, guys, who is watching us. Okay, we are at the right place. My assumption is that nobody will watch us, and as you can see, this is one what like my video. Okay, let's get back to the work. This is mirror world, guys. Silver is also doing the same. Silver is at the buying zone again. Gold is giving false hope to the sellers that I am going in the downward direction. It's also nice that this is the area which is that dominant. Yeah, and this, but at the same time, silver is at buying area, guys, and it's 1 minute to close this candle. And I'm quite interested in punching the trade in up direction because if this channel is, if they are playing channel, then right, wait 40 more seconds. 5 more seconds to close this candle. 'I'm not fully convinced with this gold graph actually. I can see that there's still a chance that market can have a fall, and why not to punch the trade in the downward direction if you are so convinced? I'm just that convinced that if it breaks this area, right, I am 100% in the downward direction, and that needs some kind of, sometime it happens. I'll punch the trade over it, like, but this is at the same time it's a trend line. That's what make me a little bit uneasy, uncomfortable. Let's punch the selling order. Let's see what happens. I punched the sell order. Let me see where I punched it. And I have to be very strict. 4721. 474721. that that conjuice guys. I'm just giving $15 as a stop loss. Let me give a little bit more space. Yeah, that is nice. $32 maximum that I can give. And a target is this area, guys. All right, let's see. I'm pretty much sure that it will take a support because this is a trend line, but it will break and it will give a target in a single shot. That I am also confident about. So it's a make or break zone, guys. It's been quite a days that I haven't seen a big target. The gold or silver you have to give me, guys. Not that much. 94,000 is a little bit too much for me right now. But if you want to give, then you can give. I'm not. Uh, I've got some gold, guys. It's fine. 20. It's a single shot, yeah. I think we are struggling in the sideways market, guys. Oh, finally. Finally, it is showing something. I'm just. I can just give $24, not more than that. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. Go, gold. Go. Yeah, gold. Gold. I'm such a side dal badlu. Like, I'm like, moment before, I'm just chanting about silver. Now I'm chanting gold and gold. I can be on either side. I can be a good politician, guys. Mhm. See, playing with emotions. See, if you want to fall, you can fall. Why are you doing this such kind of drama, guys? Just a drama queen. This gold prize action is. Yeah, good, good, good. See, whenever I find an opportunity, whenever I find that there is a small risk involved, I will jump. I will jump no matter what. Your risk has to be predefined. Like you have to be very clear that this is the uh, amount and quantity that I'm going to uh, put on. Like this is the risk, and target can be open. Target is something that you will not think about initially. You have to think about the risk involved in the particular trade, and that's literally it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm quite sure that this will reach the target. If not this time, then it's very difficult. But for this time, I think it can. It has the potential. It has the potential. Potential difference. PD. V is equal to IR. 63. All right. All right. All right. All right. So 1 minute and 40 seconds to close this candle, guys. And 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 this is going to close in the red. Still 1 minute, guys. Emotions can change, sentiments can change within a minute or within a seconds, guys. So 73 more seconds. Sorry, 1 minute. Hmm. Playing with emotions, huh? 40 more seconds. 30 more seconds. 20 more seconds. Come on. Go gold, go. Go in the downward direction, bro. This is the open area you have. Closing of this candle is quite good. Mhm, 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 mhm. चल कोड़ी जीता नाम गुम है गुम This will take out our stop loss for sure. Didn't expected this much of reversal. Yeah, stop loss has hit. Nothing is working out today, guys. Nothing is working out. See, this is all set to move in the downward direction. Everything is good, but this took our stop loss. From nowhere, this green candle formed, guys. Now, what should we do? How this? This is very brutal, guys. All of a sudden, we just faced rejection, guys. All of a sudden. SL is what is this point? 4721. 4721. 4721. भाई अब देखना ये ऑर्डर अपडेट नहीं हो रहा गाइस ऐसा क्यों अरे भाई पागल पागल हो गया क्या हाँ चल ठीक है और ये मैंने टेस्ट किया था इसमें प्रोडक्शन में सॉरी टेस्टिंग में देन नथिंग इज देयर नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ दिस इज क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस क्या है भाई ये इसका स्टॉप लॉस क्या रखते हैं 4721 भाई देख 4721 स्टॉप लॉस है इसको अपडेट कर देना प्लीज don't know why it moved the refresh icon from there Why I punch this order? I still feel that market can go in the downward direction on this. This is the pullback where it wiped out all the weak sellers. Now it is the time if it wants to move in the downward direction, then it has the good potential and everything is set up. But it is very ruthless, guys. It's quite difficult to that market can go in the downward direction since this silver is supporting, getting support from this buying zone. So for gold, it is also very difficult. Good going. Since our perspective and our analysis is also in the downward direction, that's why we punched the trade over here. But this pullback took us out, and then it faced a rejection. That means that this pullback is just to pull out all the weak sellers. That's why market wants to go in the downward direction, but it don't want to take weak sellers. And then I jumped in again. So to, thanks to some glitch in the application, my order didn't punched out, and I'm still in this order, and now this is going in the downward direction. So I will not. So there is nothing to lose in this trade, just to gain only. And my target is at that place. I will not come out from this trade without achieving the target. एक कुड़ी जीदा नाम गुम है गुम. We will either give stop loss to the market or we will achieve the target. In between, we are not going anywhere. That's our process, and we have to stick with our process. Process is something that will lead to the final result. No matter what the result is, either it is success or it failure, but the process is very important. And the process says that you have to sit and relax and just watch the market. Because everything is in place. Like that's why I developed this application. The target is already placed, the SL is already placed, and what to worry about. Dun, 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 dun. 2 minutes to close this candle. Mhm. जीना गुम है, गुम है। Pull back. The one who handles the pullback is the one who will survive in this market. That's for sure. Pullback tests your emotions. Do you want to ride the trade or you want to get scared of that pullback and just want to? And sometimes this pullback is also an indication that market is trying to reverse, though you can book your profits, and that's smart decision if someone will take that. But for the person like me who is process oriented, I will just wait for my target. Great. Approaching towards $300. That's nice. 2 more minutes to close this candle, and I think this is where market is little bit struggling. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Come on, come on, Bitcoin, yeah. Let's pull down the stop loss to this area. Come on, gold, yeah. Come on. Why are you doing this, buddy? एक कुड़ी जीना ना गुम है. This pause is not good, guys. This pause is not good. If the market wants to fall in the single shot, then it has already fallen. But we have to see the pullbacks. And this is the beauty of the price action. It will tease you. Sometimes it will tease you a lot. Mm, guys, this is where the market has is struggling, guys, and this is where the buyers are present, and they don't want the market to Unbelievable, guys. See the pullback. These kind of pullbacks are way more scary than the actual trade. And I stopped out, guys. So what happened here is it took support from this buying zone, and it didn't hit my target. So I booked my profit. This SL is basically is to prevent the entire loss. So got stopped out, guys. All right, it's part of game. If I have booked this profit over here, then it's quite good. Like it's already $250+ profit that is shown to me, but that is unrealized profit. And my actual target was like something like $300 profit, but market reversed from here, and this is the actual reason that this is the buying zone, and market respected the buying zone and just went in the other way. So overall, we have took 9 trades in 100 in 1 hour and 35 minutes, and I will not consider this as a 9 trade. Like there are multiple trades, and it had counted in 9 trades. So I have like traded like 3 or 4 times, just quite good. But the bad part is that we haven't turned the table around, and still we are looking for that. Oh, crazy God! Bitcoin has already fallen a lot. But let's keep this session till here. Like, mm, not a great day to be honest, but uh, I'm just since it's been days. Like, see, you can see the analytics. It's been days since we have done big profit. Like in this month, not really. Like we are in break even only one day. So this is on and off graph. So 5 trade 4 7 9. So we are just on a break even. Not a great month to be honest. All right, guys. So this is uh, this is it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Till then, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.